To create a DigitalOcean VPC, start by logging into your DigitalOcean account and navigating to the networking section. Here you will find the option to create a new VPC. Click on this option to begin the process. First, you need to choose a name for your VPC. This will help you identify it in the future. Then select the region where you want your VPC to be located. It is essential to choose a region that is closest to your users to minimize latency. Next, you need to configure the IP range for your VPC. This is the range of IP addresses that will be available for the resources within your VPC. You can choose from a list of predefined IP ranges or create a custom range. After configuring the IP range, you need to create a subnet. A subnet is a division of the IP range that you can use to organize your resources. You can create multiple subnets within a VPC, each with its own IP range. Once you have created your VPC and subnet, you can start creating resources such as droplets and load balancers. These resources will be assigned an IP address from the IP range you configured for your VPC. It is essential to note that security is a critical aspect of any VPC. You should configure firewall rules to control inbound and outbound traffic to your resources. You can also use DigitalOcean's built-in firewall feature to simplify the process. Best practices for creating a DigitalOcean VPC include using a consistent naming convention, configuring multiple subnets for different types of resources, and regularly reviewing and updating your firewall rules. By following these steps, you can create a DigitalOcean VPC that meets your needs and provides a secure and scalable infrastructure for your applications. Remember to always follow best practices and keep your VPC configuration up to date to ensure the security and reliability of your resources.